level of service that really went above and beyond just the client, if you will. So it made me more comfortable with the whole scenario, knowing that they were looking after me. That was probably the most memorable part of it. I was driving up to LA. I had an open house in West Hollywood, and on the way there I was driving, I believe, on the 105 or the 110 up to LA in heavy traffic on a Saturday. And out of nowhere, the traffic, I was taking the right-hand lane to the exit, and out of nowhere, everything just stopped. And I was fortunate enough that there was no one in the shoulder of the road, so I pulled into the shoulder, and then as I went to pull out, 5 cars just smacked into the back of me at a stop. I didn't really know what to do at the time, because I'd never really been I'd never been rear-ended before. I'd never been in an accident before, and I didn't even know what accident attorneys were. I didn't know what they did. So I got on the phone with Ali. He gave me great advice about what to do, what to say, what not to say, and how to act in that moment. He was very loving and courteous towards me, like, are you okay? How are you feeling? What's going on? And it was just the level of service that I didn't expect in that moment. I was expecting, like, just tell me the facts and move on. But it was great. I mean, he helped me calm myself in that moment, and then we went through the proceedings from there on. One of the most memorable things for me throughout the whole process was the fact that you guys continually kept me abreast as to what was happening. Again, never been down this path before, so it was a lot of unknowns, and I didn't really understand how it worked, but it was really greatly explained. Calls outside of work hours, friendly calls, you know, catching up in public spaces when I would bump into them, and just loving, like, just the level of service that really went above and beyond just the client, if you will. So it made me more comfortable with the whole scenario, knowing that they were looking after me. That was probably the most memorable part of it. Even when Veronica called me today to tell me the case was closed, like, I started crying, because it was finally over. It's been 2 years, and I was, you know, limited for a while. I lost my position at my job at the time because I was a coach and I needed to be on camera, and I wasn't able to be on camera for at least 6 months. So I had to take a hiatus from work, and which meant I got let go of, which was hard because I lost, you know, income. But they were there to support me the whole way through, gave me advice on what to do, continually asked, are you okay?